Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhad's Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today our special topic is we are going to learn Meenakshi Pancharatnam. This is a set of 5 shlokas composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya, and the 6th shloka will be the Palashruti. So 5 shlokas we are going to learn. In each video I will give the full lyrics and verbatim meanings of one shloka. We will go step by step, one by one we will go. And then this is composed in Shardula Vikridita. Entire Meenakshi Pancharatnam Stotras, devotional Stotras. These are composed in Shardula Vikridita, a fantastic poetic meter. So anyway, here in this video we are just focusing on learning, mugging up these shlokas, and also verbatim meanings also I'm going to give. So it will help to mug up these shlokas better, and it will make it easy. Once you understand the shloka, it will be very easy to chant, recite this and repeat this again. So you can easily mug up, get it by heart. So that is it. So for the benefit of those who do not know, as usual I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. You can take snapshot and mug up and recite this often and enjoy the devotion, and also you can reap wonderful good benefits. That is it. So you can share my videos so that a lot of other people also will enjoy. So that is it. Here I go. Meenakshi Pancharatnam, composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. First shloka. Udyadbhanusahastrakotisadrusham Keyuraharodjvalam Bimbotthim Smitadantapangtiruchiram Pitambaraalankrutam Vishnu Brahma Surendra Sevitapadam Tattvaswarupam Shivam Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavaram Nidhim. Fantastic, brilliant poetry. So we'll examine the meaning now. Udyadbhanu Sahasra Koti Sadrusham. What is said for Lord Sri Mahaganapati? In the Vakratunda Mahakaya Stotra we say Surya Koti Samaprabha. Likewise, my sun itself he is shining with Surya Koti Samaprabha. And why not Mother? She is also shining with a splendid light of million suns. Udyadbhanu, rising sun. She is shining like a rising sun with suns of millions of such suns. Such is the light of Mother Goddess Meenakshi. Udyadbhanu Sahasra Koti Sadrusham. It is equal to or likened to a million suns rising together. So that early morning sun, with the million suns rise together, you can imagine what is the shining light of that Mother Goddess Meenakshi. So splendid light will be there. Udyadbhanu Sahasra Koti Sadrusham Keyuraharodjvalam. Keyura means bracelets, and Hara means garland. She is also shining. Ujjvala means shining with bracelets and garlands decked upon her. So that is it. So that is the first padam. Udyadbhanu Sahasra Koti Sadrusham Keyuraharodjvalam. So we move on to the second padam. Bimbotthim Smitadanta Panktiruchiram Pitambaraalankrutam. Bimbotthim means the lips which are reddened by like bimba fruits. We call it as the tonde hannu. I don't know what it is called in English. Bimba fruit. It is described as bimba fruit only because there is no equivalent Sanskrit English word for the Sanskrit word bimba fruit, as far as I know. Even in several translations it will be mentioned as bimba fruit only. So she is this is a usual simile. So she is having lips reddened of red crimson color like that of a bimba fruit. Bimbotthim Smitadanta Panktiruchiram. Fantastic Danta Pankti. She has got the row of teeth, which has a beautiful row of teeth, white shining row of teeth. She is with a smiling face, which shows up her brilliant shining teeth, row of teeth, and also reddened lips like that of a bimba fruit. Bimbotthim Smitadanta Panktiruchiram Pitambara She's also shining with yellow robes, yellow sari decked upon her. Pitambara decked up with yellow sari. So that is the beautiful mother goddess Meenakshi. We move on to the third padam now. Vishnu Brahma Surendra Sevita Padam. So she is even worshipped by Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma, and also Surendra, that is Indra Deva. These are all the gods who are worshipping Mother Meenakshi, goddess Meenakshi. She is the supreme goddess. Vishnu Brahma Surendra Sevita Padam Tattvasvarupam Shivam. She is of the essence of consciousness. Tattvasvarupam Shivam. That is auspicious deity. Shiva means the bestower of auspicious boons. So she is the auspicious deity. Vishnu Brahma Surendra Sevita Padam Tattvasvarupam Shivam. So that is the third padam. So 19 letters in each padam. Shardula Viprita. Moving on to the final padam. Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavaram Nidhim. So the fantastic brilliant poetry. So Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham. So I continuously I am going to prostrate before Meenakshi. Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavaram Nidhim. She is the ocean of compassion. Karunyavaram Nidhim. I take refuge by prostrating to Goddess Meenakshi. Meenakshmi Pranatosmi Santatam. So continuously I am going to prostrate before her. I take refuge in the ocean of compassion that she is. So it is a brilliant poetry. So we'll just recite the poem again, a devotion stotra again, and wrap up this video. So by knowing the meaning, it will be very easy to mug up this shloka, isn't it, my dear friends? So we'll recite this. And the next upcoming video will take the second shloka of the Meenakshi Pancharatna. So until then, people who don't know can just go through my videos and mug up this first shloka. By the time I deliver the second video with the second shloka, that is it. So we'll recite the first shloka again. Udyadbhanu sahasrakoti sadrusham Keyurharojvalam Bimbosthim smitadanta pankti ruchiram Pitambara Vishnu Brahma Surendra Sevita Padam Tattvasvarupam Shivam Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavaram Nidhim. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So once we know the meaning, it will be very easy to mug up the shloka. See, although it is looks like complex, 19 letters in each line and 4 padams. So just in a flash, we got that mugged up. So that is it. Like that, we can move on to the second shloka in my next video. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas to be signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.